Hi, my name is Ace.
And I'm Emma.
And we're going to teach you guys how to do an aerial.
When learning the aerial, I would highly recommend having a cartwheel and a one-handed cartwheel as prerequisites.
Alright, so for today's video, I have my friend Emma. She is a competitive gymnast and she is way better at doing aerials than I am. So I will have her take it over. Ready, go.
The first step in order to get an aerial is to have a clean cartwheel that goes over the top so you're not kicking around the side. So in order to learn an aerial, make sure you have a clean cartwheel first. After that, you're going to do what's called a diving cartwheel. You can step into it, you can do it standing, you can run into it, however you're most comfortable. But you're going to wait to put your hands down as long as you possibly can. After that, you're going to do what's called a pop-up cartwheel. So once your hands hit the floor, you're going to try and pull them off the floor and kind of just keep them up by your chest all the way up until you land on your feet. And once you feel comfortable doing that, you're going to combine the diving cartwheel and the pop-up cartwheel, and you're going to do it at the same time. You're going to wait super long to get on your hands, and as soon as your hands hit, you're going to try and pull them off the floor. After that, you're ready to go for your aerial. Make sure to be safe. If you feel like you're too close to the ground, put your hand down. Worst case that happens, you do a cartwheel. But there you go. That's how you do an aerial.
Notice as she leaps into the hurdle, her arms and shoulders are by her ears, her legs are straight and her toes are pointed, and her body is fully extended and tight, which will help generate the momentum you'll need moving forward into the flip. This next stage involves shifting your body weight. Make sure that you are pushing off of that back leg onto your front leg and that all of your weight is being transferred on top of that front leg. While all of this is going on, continue to spot forward and bringing your chest down to your leg. And lastly, make sure you have enough bent in your knee to prepare yourself for the takeoff. During the takeoff, timing is very important. Make sure to heel drive with your leg as straight as possible and with a really powerful kick. The second you feel you've built enough forward momentum is when you're going to want to push through your toes and launch yourself off that supporting leg. By this stage, her legs are coming up and around while still spotting in the same direction she took off from. Lastly, you want to really get that kicking leg up under yourself for better control and balance, and don't forget to bring your chest up. Here are some drills and exercises you can do to help improve your aerials. For Superman jumps, really emphasize on pushing through your knee and jumping as high as you can. For leg swings, focus on a very powerful heel drive. For pop-up cartwheels, what you can do is get a folded mat to put your hands on and then pop off, and as you get comfortable, you would slowly start to take layers off until you can do it with one hand and then eventually with no hands. And lastly is doing cartwheels on your elbows but on a raised surface. Ideally, because you don't want the surface to be too high or too low, I would get like a block or maybe even the edge of your bed if you're at home, and you want to make sure you go into your cartwheel on your elbows and kick up into the straddle position like how you would do in a regular cartwheel. And that is it for the tutorial. Now you try.